Welcome to the Healthcare Beauties channel. Today, we will be discussing 6 vegetable juices to reduce belly fat. Excess belly fat not only affects our appearance but also links to various health risks, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic disorders. While there is no magical elixir for spot-reducing belly fat, certain vegetable juices can be valuable additions to a balanced diet and exercise routine to help shed those extra pounds. In this evidence-based article, we'll explore 6 vegetable juices known for their potential to reduce belly fat, supported by trusted sources and scientific research. Number 1. Cucumber juice. Cucumber juice is a hydrating and low-calorie beverage that can aid in weight loss and belly fat reduction. It contains a high water content, which helps you feel full and satisfied while keeping your calorie intake in check. Cucumbers are also a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a nutritious choice for overall health. Cucumber juice has diuretic properties known to help reduce water retention and bloating, factors that often contribute to the appearance of a slimmer waistline. To make cucumber juice, simply blend fresh cucumbers with a bit of water and enjoy this refreshing drink. Number 2. Spinach juice. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is rich in nutrients and low in calories. Consuming spinach juice provides a significant dose of vitamins A and C, both of which have antioxidant properties that support overall health and aid in weight management. Spinach contains compounds called thylakoids, which some studies have shown to reduce appetite and enhance weight loss efforts. While spinach juice may not be the most palatable on its own, combining it with other vegetables or fruits in a green smoothie can make it a delicious and nutritious option for reducing belly fat. Number 3. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is a vibrant, earthy beverage that offers several benefits for those aiming to trim their waistlines. It is low in calories and packed with essential nutrients like potassium, folate, and vitamin C. Beetroot juice is also known for its high nitrate content, which can improve exercise performance and enhance the body's fat-burning capabilities. Studies have shown that beetroot juice can increase the efficiency of oxygen utilization during physical activity, potentially leading to greater calorie burn. Additionally, the nitrates in beetroot juice may help reduce blood pressure, promoting better heart health. Number 4. Carrot juice. Carrots are not only a popular vegetable but also an excellent choice for those looking to reduce belly fat. Carrot juice is a good source of vitamins A and K, both of which play a role in overall health and weight management. Vitamin A supports immune function, while vitamin K is important for blood clotting and bone health. Carrot juice provides dietary fiber, which can help control hunger and keep you feeling full for longer. This can be particularly helpful in managing calorie intake and curbing overeating, both of which are essential for belly fat reduction. Number 5. Kale juice. Kale is frequently celebrated as a superfood, and this recognition is well-deserved. It's a nutrient-dense leafy green that is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Kale juice, when incorporated into a balanced diet, can support weight loss efforts and help reduce belly fat. Kale is particularly high in fiber, which aids in digestion, promotes feelings of fullness, and can contribute to a lower calorie intake. Kale is rich in compounds like sulforaphane, which has been linked to fat loss and improved metabolism in some studies. Number 6. Tomato juice. Tomatoes are a versatile vegetable that can be juiced to create a flavorful and nutritious beverage. Tomato juice is a low-calorie option that provides essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and folate. Tomatoes are also known for their content of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been studied for its potential to reduce belly fat. Some research suggests that lycopene can inhibit the accumulation of fat in the abdominal area and improve lipid metabolism. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video if you found it informative, subscribe to Healthcare Beauties, and click the subscribe button below this video.